Hey everyone, just wanted to show you what I've been up to. It's just a short video while I'm waiting for to save up for some stuff. I'm just getting on with a few little jobs. That's the wing that's been sanded. All this has been sanded and treated. All in there. Bonnet's on. I've got my bonnet stay. That's what I've been doing. Been lining up the wings. Just got a few more lines to do here. I'm just waiting for that to dry and then I'm going to paint it all. I've got to cut the bonnet here, and I put some strengthening bars in, running all the way up under there, stop the bonnet bending here. I'll do the same on the other side, and then I'm going to weld a new piece in there. So get in there, and I'll be back with you when I've done some more. Hey everyone, that's it so far. Just waiting for that to finish drying. She's coming on well, isn't she? Nice having the bonnet on. Just waiting for that to dry, and then I'll be on to the next stage. And I'll be back with you after. And then I'm going to just see, I'm going to go around and see what's next. I'm still saving up at the moment to get the rest of the bits I need to start the engine. So we'll have that to look forward to soon. Just wanted to update you on what I was doing while I'm waiting. And I'll be back with you shortly. Hello, back again. Right, that's that. All that is done for now. All across the front. Right, the only things that I've got to do on the front of here is remake these that sit next to the headlights. I'm not even sure if this is supposed to be like this, and all this, it looks like it connects up there. So if anyone's got a mk4 with the front off, please send me some pictures, because I'd like to have that how it's supposed to be. I'm pretty sure this bit here is supposed to come round and curl round behind here or something. I don't think it's supposed to be all open like that. So I've got that to repair. I've got to make the plates here for the wings to bolt to on both sides. I've got to repair these, which is for the grille, and obviously the headlight brackets that bolt the headlights to there. And then I've got to repair down the sides here for the wings to bolt to on both sides. And I think that is pretty much it on the front, but it's all in primer, ready for the repairs. All in there is done, so really coming along. The attempt of this will be happening again soon, just waiting on some stuff to come. Well, I've got to wait to order some stuff. I think I've pretty much got everything for that, like the spark plugs and everything. I wanted to get a new mechanical fuel pump, because I'm going to rig up these fuel lines into a jerry can, the return, and the in and out basically pipes. What else was there? I think that's it. But yep, that's what I've been getting up to. Obviously sorting out the bonnet, doing the repairs, repairing the scuttle at the front end to get the lines to line up. I've got to go and do some cleaning up inside the car, ready for when I get back to doing some repairs in there. But yeah, that's how she is at the moment. I know it's only a short video, but I just wanted to update you. Once I've saved up enough, I'll order some more metal and welding wire and stuff like that, and then I'll get onto that quarter panel. So yeah, I'm happy with the progress of the front of her. I have got some epoxy primer that the whole of this car will be getting painted in before the Cosmos Blue. I was actually thinking of not doing it Cosmos Blue and doing it hot pink instead with sparkles. I was going to call it me Barbie car. If there's anything else, I'll bring it into this video, but if not, then this will be it until I get some materials. And I'll see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe. It's getting there. And you will be hearing her running very soon. I just need to get some more bits and bobs. Unfortunately, projects cost money. So I'm trying to do it as fast as I can to keep the content up, but you know, it takes time. Bye bye. So I just wanted to show you this quickly. Starting to get all the lines. This one needs to be, wing needs to be pulled out a bit. All up there is looking good. And if I pull the lever in here, the bonnet lifts up. I can open and shut the bonnet now. None of that lined up before because it was bent. One last look. Just get in there. I really want to get on with it. Hate being held back. Just get in there. Right, see you in the next one. Bye bye.